In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted help brainstorming ideas, rephrasing tricky sentences, or getting quick suggestions without leaving your document, this integration makes that easy. We'll keep things straightforward and stay inside Word the whole time. You'll just need an internet connection and a version of Word that supports Office add-ins. Start with your document open and look at the ribbon along the top of Word. On the Home tab, find the Add-ins button. On some setups, it may be labeled Get Add-ins, and click it. This opens the Office Add-ins window, where you can browse and add tools that work directly inside Word. Inside the Add-ins window, you'll usually see a set of featured or popular add-ins right on the front page. ChatGPT often appears here. If you see it, great. If it doesn't show up immediately, use the search bar at the top of the window. Type ChatGPT, then press Enter to filter the results. Give it a moment to load, especially if your network is busy. When the results appear, look for the ChatGPT add-in listing. As a quick tip, you can glance at the description and ratings to be sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've located it, click Add. Word may display a brief prompt asking you to confirm that you want to add this tool. Review the details so you know what it does, then click Continue. This tells Word to install the add-in into your current environment. From here, just follow the installation process on screen. Word might download a small component, ask for permission to run within your document, or show a short overview of how the add-in works. Stay on this screen until you see that the installation is complete. Depending on your setup, the ChatGPT pane may open automatically on the right side of your document, or you might see a new button for ChatGPT appear on your ribbon. If you're offered the option to pin the pane so it remains visible while you scroll, go ahead and do that. You can also resize the pane to make more room for your document. If the Add-ins button isn't available, you may be on a version of Word that doesn't support add-ins, or your organization may have restrictions. In that case, reach out to your administrator or check that you're signed in with an account that allows access to the Office add-in store. That's it. You opened add-ins from the Home tab, searched for ChatGPT if it didn't appear, clicked Add, and followed the on-screen installation. With the add-in in place, you're set up to bring AI assistance right into Word and keep your writing flow uninterrupted.